In previous lecture, we have taken the example of Reliance Limited and we have learned that how Reliance Limited will be preparing their loan amortization schedule. So we will continue example and we will solve case B. So we have done this example and we have covered the part A here. So quickly we will read the question and we will solve part B. Reliance Limited took a loan of rupees 50,000 crore for 2 years at the rate of 8% per annum. Prepare loan amortization schedule using given below information. Now what B says here, B point says that quarterly payment to be made and interest is compounded quarterly. Here, what company is doing, instead of monthly payment, company is making quarterly payment, right? So I don't know, given below information, loan amount is 50,000. Then if you see, payment is quarterly. Quarterly means 4 payments in a year to be made, right? If I talk about interest, so interest is 8%, sorry, and interest to be paid 4 times, right? Interest paid 4 times in a year. Quarterly compounding is given, interest compounding is given, it is 4 times. It should not be paid, it should be written compounding, right? Now we have to find out effective interest rate, right? So here, if you see the interest and payments duration is same, so we don't have to apply any formula. When this duration and this duration is same, we don't have to apply any formula, right? So now what I will do, I will calculate in value, or you can say I will write down rate here, so it will be easy for you to understand. So quarterly compounding is done, so 8% divided by 4. So this is going to be the effective interest rate, right? Now if I talk about NPER, so NPR is going to be, first I will write down maturity here. Maturity is of 2 years. So in a year we can 4 payments, so it will be 4 into 2. Right? So total instant which we will be paying is 8 here. Right? Now we have to find out the EMI value. So with the PMT formula, we will be calculating the EMI value. So PMT is going to be rate. We have to take NPR. I have already mentioned here, that is 8. Present value of loan is 50,000. Then 0 I have to take, and again I will write down 0 here. And every quarter, what company will be paying 6,825 rupees, right? Every quarter company will be paying 6,825 rupees. What total amount company will be paying in 8 quarters? So 6,085 into 8 I will do. So total company will be paying how much? Company will be paying this much amount, right? So what will be the interest amount? So I will reduce principal amount from here. The amount is 50,000. What will be the interest amount? Interest amount is going to be loan value minus, I will write plus because loan is in negative. Here I will press enter. So it will be 4,603, right? So what interest will be paying? Company will be paying interest, that is 4,603. Okay. Now further see, so what is the opening balance of liability? Opening balance of liability is 50,000. Now I will be getting the interest. So interest is 2% here. So opening balance into quarterly interest is 2%, right? And I will freeze this value. So it will automatically go every time. Now installment amount we have calculated here. So I will start with minus. So it will become positive figure. Then principal amount. So principal amount is going to be installment minus interest amount is going to be the principal amount. Now what will be the closing balance? Opening balance, principal amount is going to be the closing balance, right? So we have to follow the same process every time. The opening balance of second quarter is going to be 44,000. Interest amount is going 883. How I have calculated? Opening balance into interest rate. Installment amount is going same for every year. So here I will copy the installment. Then what will be the principal amount? Principal amount is going to be installment minus interest. This is going to be the total amount. 5942, right? And closing balance similarly calculating. What I will do now, I will copy this value and we will see whether at the end of 8th year this is 0 or not. Yeah, so it is 0 at the end of 8th year. And if I do the total of interest, so interest total is 4,603, and here also interest total is 4,603. So we will be taking more cases in coming sessions. So stay tuned with us. Thank you.